homes sold this September than last, but the average sales price grew by 4.5%. It's Friday, October 25th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Industry forecasts predict that home prices will grow modestly in 2025, an average of 2.5% nationally, as you can see by this graph. However, some areas in Maryland may see more rapid growth than others. Stay tuned. New Maryland inventory rose only very slightly by 1,845 homes. Coming soon inventory dropped again this week by 8.4% to 1,211. 1,581 properties went under contract this past week. 1,207 homes sold this past week in 12 days at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals rose again this week to 2,780 at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, October 25th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.